Are we connected finally?
Yes, we're connected.
Yay. Welcome to our second episode. And we didn't fix the title for this one, did we?
No, but it has something to do with comedy and basically comedy in Bollywood. And
Yeah. Yeah.
we'll make
I
a title and a mood board for this soon. And
I love the Priyanka Chopra and Bollywood mood board. It's beautiful. How did you
thank you,
make
thank
it?
you.
What was your process? What was your inspiration, if I may ask?
I posted all these photos on Tumblr and
Okay.
I took a screenshot of that. And
Yes.
because, like a Tumblr mood board. And then
Yeah.
I added the caption through WhatsApp to give it a more, rustic look. And
Yeah, skill you can see, normal people, just basic people, they use Photoshop, but not legends. Never legends.
no, no, no. I always look at the way that's most convenient to me.
Yeah,
And
yeah,
that's how I function in life.
as
So,
usual.
minimalism and all.
I'm not sure I do, but you do you, boo. That's all I have to say. इसमें पिछली बार की तरह कुछ आ सकती हैं दिक्कतें रिगार्डिंग साउंड क्वालिटी. This time, I think my voice quality will be better, but internet का कुछ नहीं बोल सकते हैं. And at this moment, I would like to declare solidarity with our lads who are busy treating at UGC, and I can totally
Always, always.
understand their condition right now. It's pretty much the same for us. मेरा वाईफाई भी नहीं चलता. I'm using data, पर data भी fail कर जाए. Who knows? So let's just work with what we have here. And what were we talking about that we ended up thinking of like comedies in general? Did something happen? Did like some Houseful 4 trailer dropped or something? Because
I think this is something that we have been talking about for some time now, that, Bollywood movies just are not funny anymore.
yeah. Oh, I think maybe
And
we were looking for movies to watch together right now.
probably,
We
yeah.
have a lot of trouble because if you search on Google, no, कि बॉलीवुड कॉमेडी मूवीज और हिंदी कॉमेडी मूवीज, तो मतलब ऐसे यही सब आती हैं. गोलमाल 3, गोलमाल 4, हाउसफुल 3, हाउसफुल 4, एंड so on and so forth. And I mean that's great for people who love those movies. I mean इतना उनके पास भरपूर स्टॉक है, पर बाकी लोगों के लिए थोड़ा चिंताजनक है ये. Because I'm it's
Yeah.
just very sad. I think like comedy in general, it's a very मतलब ऐसे degraded type का genre,
People don't
because
take it seriously.
yeah, because by its nature they think that comedy is just something, अरे comedy तो है sort of a thing. Like even I remember watching plays, even at collegiate level plays, uh,
Oh God.
UTC. Even they who are literally, just college people going about their day, making a play, even um, whether it's Hindi, whether it's English, it's rare to see plays that are, just comedy. Sure, they'll have like a few gags here and there, that's fine. But there are very rarely plays that are, purely comedy plays. And I don't know why, because I mean, we love comedy. People do love comedy. There's stand up comedy. It has such a big presence in India now in the past 4 or 5 years, I'd say. There are YouTubers, and YouTubers are also famous for doing comedy sketches and so on. So why is it that we don't really expect? Uh, yeah, we just basically don't give comedy the respect that it deserves, in my opinion.
I feel like it's the perception bias that, when you see when you think of comedy, you immediately think of stupid things.
Hmm.
Like someone falling on a banana peel or slipping on a banana peel, or that's how वो इमेज ऐसी बना दी है अब.
Hmm.
And you know, when you think about comedy, like I know that I would suck horribly at comedy. Like I'm a bad actor anyway. But if someone tells me to do comedy, I will be even worse than usual in it. Because
Yeah.
I
I mean,
just
I'm not.
don't know. I would not know how to connect to that in the audience. And you know, I remember why we decided to talk about comedy. It's because we were discussing, you know, comedy actors are
Oh,
also good horror actors like Baman Irani and Rajpal Yadav. So I think that's where it came from. But
yeah.
anyway, sticking to the main topic. So yeah, so comedy requires a lot of skill.
Hmm.
And you know, I think people who know that, they are afraid of that, ki I don't have the skills for comedy. So it's like a lose lose both ways, कि
Yeah.
जिन लोगों को नहीं पता है एक्टिंग के नुआंसेस, उनको लगेगा कि अरे कॉमेडी तो है, कोई भी कर लेगा. And people who know the nuances of, you know, comedy and delivering a good comedy, they will be afraid of it unless they are very sure of themselves.
Yeah.
And I think that's also why there are so many male comedians around, because who better than a man to be sure of himself? Am I
A,
right?
a, not all men, yeah. Not all men. But I even I don't know. Matlab with comedy, I feel like yes. I think one perception because comedy is of different types. जैसे एक तो वही होता है comedy, which is like uh, ये कबूतर ने
Slapstick.
बीट कर दिया गंजे के ऊपर, that comedy, and वही बनाना पील पे वही फिसल जाओ वाली comedy. But then there's works every time. There's a
See,
reason it's
I'm a slapstick fan. If
I
slapstick
know.
is delivered well, there is no way that people won't laugh.
That's the word, slapstick. Your literature degree is once again shining through in this conversation. So yeah, slapstick is there, and but वो like slapstick का भी एक तरीका है करने का. Like ऐसे बच्चे, kids, like small kids, they're the best. ऐसे examples of like people who do slapstick. वो ऐसे एक दूसरे को पीटते रहते हैं, खुद गिरते रहते हैं. That's not always funny. You're annoyed a lot of the times. You just shut up, like just sit down. So this shows ki like it takes some skill also, even slapstick humor. Humor in general, I feel like why it's so difficult is like जैसे मान लो कोई ऐसे ड्रामा मूवी चल रही है ना, or like even a romance, so everybody is just enjoying it, and like that holds for a play also कि मान लो आप थिएटर में गए हो और आप देख रहे हो तो चल रहा है fine cool, everybody is just absorbing it at their own pace. But when it comes to comedy, if there's a joke in the movie or in the play or even in a stand-up show, if somebody doesn't laugh immediately at the joke, then it's very clear that it's a failure. It's the feedback is ekdam immediate in comedy, and
That's
it's
true.
it's very tricky. If like even if say I find something funny, but then I'm sitting in a hall with so many people and nobody's really reacting to it, so that's a very awkward situation. So it's strange that comedy is built on this weird tension throughout, and whenever there's laughter, there's a release of that tension. But it's just very difficult to pull off if you think about it, make everybody laugh. And I think that's why slapstick comedy is so popular, because that is guaranteed to make everybody laugh, because everybody has a different sense of humor. And like with just ये drama romance in सब genre में भी होता है, even horror movie genres की okay, woman in a white sari, that will scare people, एक particular type of jump scare होता है, हाँ, that is sure to get everybody, or almost everybody. So similarly, I think that's the thing with comedy कि एक तो slapstick है, which is sure to make most people in the audience laugh, and then secondly it's like वही low hanging fruit type के jokes, मतलब कि अरे गंजे पे जोक, मोटे पे जोक, शॉर्ट पर्सन पे जोक, कोई वाइफ जोक, एंड जस्ट योर एवरेज व्हाट्सएप फॉरवर्ड वाले जोक. इसीलिए तो व्हाट्सएप फॉरवर्ड्स भी इतने चलते हैं, बिकॉज भाई एवरीबडी लाव्स एट दीज जोक्स. सो इट्स लाइक यस, लेट्स स्प्रेड दिस शिट अराउंड. एंड yeah, I think, but why these two are, there's a lot of room for failure in comedy, and matlab basically what I'm saying is it won't appeal to as many people because comedy is very subjective. And
It's
that's why I
true.
think directors and even writers and all, they stick to these sort of jokes even when they do have to do comedy. But I think Bollywood is such a huge industry. There should be room for more things. Like even if you don't want to make a big budget movie, you can make a small budget comedy movie also that you think will appeal to some people, even if not all. Because बनती तो हैं Bollywood में comedy movies. What are your favorite comedy movies from Bollywood?
Uh, I can't think of movies as such, but I've been thinking of actors. Matlab movies maybe I saw the original Golmaal recently, the Amol Palekar one. Found
Yeah.
it really funny,
Hmm.
and I love Dhamal
Hmm.
and the OG, not the sequels, which I have not seen. And otherwise, there are actors who I think have amazing comic timing, and I would see them, in any comedy movie, even if I know it's gonna be shit. Like I
Yeah.
might just, कि हाँ ठीक है, Baman Irani है इसमें तो I'll see it.
Hmm.
Or there's Baman Irani, there's Arshad Warsi. Jolly LLB was very funny, even though it was a serious movie.
Yeah.
And there's Arshad Warsi and Rajpal Yadav, even though uska typecast ho gaya. And this is another problem with Bollywood, that comedy hai to bas wo their level then degrades. Like Johnny Lever is such a good comedy actor, but the
Yeah.
kind of roles that are written for him are so bad. And
Maybe
hats off to him that he still stays funny. But
yeah.
I don't know. Like there's just something missing in Bollywood when it comes to comedy, and it's just been degrading throughout the years. Like I cannot think of a movie that came out in the last decade that I found funny. I didn't see a lot of movies in the last decade. Maybe that's the problem. But even then, there was nothing. Kuch tha.
At least.
Irfan Khan had amazing comic timing, but then he got typecast as a serious actor,
Hmm.
and Shah Rukh has amazing comic timing, and but then now to his acting is only Shah Rukhification. So
Yeah.
well. Tabu has
Even.
amazing comic timing now that she's really funny. Like I saw this bad movie of hers yesterday, To Baat Pakki. The
Huh.
script was bad.
Yeah.
Matlab, it was just it could have been so much better. But then it had Sharman Joshi also. Sharman Joshi is also really funny. So like it was only because of Tabu and Sharman Joshi that I could sit through the movie, because they genuinely had good comic chemistry. And
Hmm.
yeah, and why I think even actors, who are good actors, they somehow get typecast as these serious actors. Like
Hmm.
uh other actors also, like I think Amir Khan is also really funny, but
Yeah.
then uski bhi image ban gayi hai ki he can only do these very serious kind of roles. So
Hmm.
yeah, it's just.
But
And
why?
and another funny movie that I can think of is Jab We Met, even though it's not exactly a comedy movie, it's a romantic comedy, but
Yeah, yeah,
yeah, it's something that always makes me laugh.
yeah. Even rom-com, I mean, by its name itself, it does have potential for
Yeah,
comedy.
but rom coms में भी rom ज्यादा होता है और com कम होता है, and I don't like that.
कॉम इज ऑफन लाइक वेरी वही टाइप का ना कि वो लड़कियां ऐसी होती लड़के ऐसे होते हैं वाले जोक्स मतलब which is like
Oh,
and if you're a fan of these things I'm sure the world must be a great place for you but बाकी लोग तो बोर हो जाते हैं ना बहुत ज्यादा and I mean like I'm not saying those jokes are inherently bad or anything but there's a way and I mean actually no I am saying they're inherently bad I can't but even
yeah, you don't have to justify them at all. Like they're so misogynistic, so casteist, so racist, so homophobic. There's no end to the amount of abuses I can give those jokes.
those I mean are not I guess abuses also for most people but yeah it's just like why I don't know just more than I mean of course like that is definitely there with the whole isms and phobics and yes but even just seeing them how are they funny to people like I don't understand that maybe it's built on that assumption in the mind of audience key oh this person's
Women are stupid.
या लाइक इफ यू हैव दैट वो वाली सोच फिर आपको कोई वैसा जोक सुना रहा है कि अरे अरे इससे 2+2 नहीं हो पाया टाइज एंड यू बी लाइक हा कितना फनी है जैसे अभी आई सॉ आई थिंक आई वाज वाचिंग वही देयर इज दिस अमेजिंग यूट्यूबर with SNG comedy. Her name is Shrimi Verma. So she made this video where they were talking about, I think, colorism in Bollywood. or was it her or was it someone else? I'm not sure. But they showed this scene from some movie 90s की थी मेरे ख्याल से. तो उसमें of course तो उसमें मनीषा कोइराला है and some actor is there and basically they are like I said they're going to tell everybody that they're planning to get married and all that. So ऐसे कव्वाली scene type का चल रहा है. So you know the women are sitting ऐसे एक जगह पे, the men are sitting at one place and like facing each other. And then uske baad, I think the actor gets up and then he indicates to everybody, "Q, I'm gonna marry her." And then like he basically points to Manisha Koirala. He looks towards Manisha and points at her. But instead of Manisha, there's a black woman sitting there, wearing like the same clothes and jewelry and all as her. So everybody's just like, "Oh my god, what?" And then उसके पीछे से मनीषा निकल के आती है कि अरे जोकिंग, मुझसे शादी करेगा, इससे थोड़ी शादी करेगा, हा हा हा.
Which movie is this? I'm very curious to know. Is it Bombay?
I don't know. I will find out. But I mean, I'm just laughing at the fact that they thought this qualifies as quality comedy. But
अरे लोग हंसे होंगे मस्त थिएटर में,
हाँ हाँ
कोई
कि
डाउट ही नहीं उस पर.
हाँ. Yeah, so this is just the general. I was watching Ajab Prem Ki Gadab Kahani, and that is a movie which has come out in the past decade. And matlab, it has it though, or is it pre 2011? I don't know. But it makes scenes.
2008.
Okay, okay. So उसमें there was this scene where Ranbir Kapoor and like his group of friends, उन लोग का होता है ना happy club and basically they ऐसे help each other out and all that. So this one guy ने उसको एक लड़की से शादी करनी होती है, उसकी गर्लफ्रेंड होती है बट वही फैमिली मना कर रही होती है. एंड जो लड़की होती है उसके पेरेंट्स बहुत प्रोटेक्टिव टाइप के होते हैं, हर जगह उसको गार्ड्स के साथ भेजते हैं. तो ये लोग प्लान करते हैं रणबीर कपूर का क्लब कि हम उसको किडनैप कर लेंगे. So what happens is
Whoa.
that then the entire gag becomes about कि where that woman is there, she's in a mall and she's doing shopping and उसके guards उसके अगल बगल खड़े हुए हैं and the guards are basically two women. Okay, but like the women are shown to be very like manly कि वैसे बहुत लंबी लंबी हैं and their facial features are sort of masculine and all that. So then like that's the entire joke कि oh, and like you know Ranbir Kapoor ऐसे confronts them also and they're like कि आप ये क्या कर रही हैं, आप ये क्या कर रही हैं. And then you know cue laughter I guess. And फिर ऐसे दिखाता है, फिर वही basically they figure out कि oh Ranbir is here to kidnap this person who they're protecting. तो वो लोग ऐसे वही फाइट सीन होता है, कॉमेडिक टाइप का फाइट सीन. एंड लाइक ऐसे रणवीर ट्रिप्स द टू गार्ड्स. So basically they fall on top of each other and like their lips press together. And उसमें भी like there's like a zoom in effect कि oh my god. And it's
I
just,
wish you had not described this. I don't
yeah,
know where to put this in my brain. And
I know. That's
yeah,
true. But the point is कि इसमें मतलब क्या assumption हो मेरे mind में कि मुझे ये funny लगे या you know I might think कि wow what a scene यार. मतलब I like that movie otherwise. I've seen it बचपन में and I remember liking it, but I did not remember this scene. And frankly, I hate that I got reminded of it. But yeah, I mean, what is to be said of an industry का comedic standard जहाँ पे you know ऐसी movie जो like this was like one of the ऐसे peaks of one of the peaks of Ranbir Kapoor's career. And there was like Katrina in it and it was like a very famous movie at you know at that point. It had like nice songs and all. उसमें ये सब ऐसे महान चीजें थी तो फिर आप क्या एक्सपेक्ट करोगे मतलब कॉमेडी के मामले में.
that's the whole point. Like, is Indian society to blame for this kind of comedy? Because you know we laugh at such stuff, or is Bollywood to blame for this because they keep churning out this stuff, and but then
Hmm.
people do lap it up.
Yeah.
Like, I think India mein people are not funny. I can't think of a stand-up comedian that I find funny. I can't think of a YouTuber that I find funny, be it Indian or Indian diaspora ka. I
Mm-hmm.
think there's just something wrong with Indians in general. I
The
mean, I know a
Indian
lot of funny
song.
people in my life.
That can be the podcast,
People
the
people
Indian
who make
gene.
me laugh. Yeah, continue.
Yeah, yeah, I said that can be the title of the podcast. That the Indian gene lacks comedy.
Yeah.
Yeah. But what about for you, the average person, like you were saying?
Yeah, like, I know a lot of funny people in my life, like in any conversation that I have with them, I am bound to laugh, even though, I was crying and very, and maybe it's because we connect on that sense of humor level, because
Yeah.
almost all my friends, they kind of have the same level of humor as me in, one way or another. Even I don't have, like a static sense of humor ki हमेशा
Hmm.
मुझे इसी तरह की कॉमेडी पसंद आएगी. It
Hmm.
depends on the day, so I have, friends who match that sense of humor, so maybe it's that. But also, like, even apart from my friends, I, like most of the people that I have encountered, they don't get jokes,
Hmm.
like if we say something or make a comment, or just one of our random observations, it's just us who are laughing at it. Other people don't seem to find it as funny, and maybe maybe it's just like a inside joke thing. But even otherwise, like, my parents lap up houseful movies, and otherwise
Yeah.
they are funny people.
Yeah.
It's not like they can't make a joke or take a joke, and whatever, they have made excellent jokes in the past. Even though yesterday my father made a joke about me getting coronavirus, but I will let it slide.
Oh,
And but I just don't understand why they like this kind of a movie. And yeah, it's like, and I grew up on a lot of comedy movies like Mr. India and David Dhawan movies, Govinda
mm,
Wali, like
mm-hmm.
Dulhe Raja and Koli Number One and all these. So
Yeah.
they were funny. But I don't know if I'll find them funny even if I watch them now. But
Mm-hmm.
but it's like, तब जो मजा आता था मूवी देखने में, वो अब नहीं
Hmm.
आता. It's just gone. These how I saw, like, another funny movie that I can think of now that we can talk about Canadian Kumar, who is seen as, a very comedy actor in Bollywood, a
Yeah.
versatile actor actually.
I
So
mean, that
उसके
was
भी last,
stars.
he did gems like Welcome and Hera Fairy, but now he's stuck on this weird houseful routine. And
Yeah.
why Akshay? You can do so much better, and I mean it.
Ooh. Well, it's like I think एक तो वही there are comedy movies like say वेलकम और वही ऐसी टाइप की मतलब जो होती हैं हेरा फेरी which are just like ऐसे एक तरह से situational comedies कोई just crazy things are happening. Even Dhamal is in that category only.
Hmm.
And so I like that also involves a lot of slapstick humor. उसमें भी होते हैं कि वो बंदर चाटा मार रहे हैं, like those sort of scenes are there in that also. It's just why, like, how well are you using it? I think it's like once ऐसे you people, like, you give the people a taste of something as a just very superficially funny, like just your first household thing that was like fine, that was not too bad, I would say it was funny
Hmm.
enough, I would say. उसमें भी था बंदर obviously, तो उसमें ठीक है, like it was very successful. फिर second आई तो एक तरह से गारंटी थी कि हाँ लोग अब हंसेंगे इसको, मतलब people will see this, people will go to watch this for laughs, एंड दे डिड. सो देन उन्होंने थर्ड वाली में और कम एफर्ट डाला, फिर फोर्थ वाली में तो एफर्ट डाला ही नहीं. सो आई थिंक इट्स लाइक वंस ऐसे पीपल are ready to accept things of a certain level, then it's very easy for filmmakers and script writers to not just like care anymore, and just
That's
churn
true.
out whatever takes the least amount of time.
Even one of the most cult comedy movies, Andaz Apna Apna, it wasn't a
Mhm.
success when it first came out. And
Yes,
that is such a good movie. Salman Khan peaked with that movie.
he did.
So, so yeah, and I think I think Indians are just not ready for
Maybe.
good comedy. They can't take satire, they can't take, meta references. It's
About
nothing.
I wanted to talk about satire because that is also like a form of comedy. You're challenging things. And my mother tells me that, when they were younger, तो ऐसे डीडी वीडी पे भी आते थे आई थिंक ये शोज बेसिकली लाइक ऐसे जुगलबंदी टाइप के, और जस्ट ऐसे पोएट्री वाले कि वैसे दूर से देखा तो अरे वाह, लाइक वाह 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 वैसा टाइप का स्टफ. वो शायरी या शायरी. Everybody is not an English literature student. What can I say? So हाँ, तो ऐसे शायरी सेशंस वगैरह होते
Even
थे.
I'm
लेकिन
not an English literature student.
you are, don't hide your talents from the world. But no,
Okay.
तो ऐसे shows आते थे at like New Year's and ऐसे important occasions and all that. And as a whole, like everybody would gather around to watch them in front of the TV, and they were very good. And genuine ऐसे मतलब मस्त उसमें satire होता था poetry के through. And even as it early 2000s में there was the show called Movers and Shakers, which had Shekhar Suman in it. He used to mock it. It was quite similar to ये जैसे Jimmy Fallon और ये सब है ना, Stephen Colbert, कि ऐसे
Hmm.
शुरुआत में they come, they deliver a monologue, then they have a guest and all of that. So they used to ऐसे deliver monologue about politicians, about the news of the day and all of that, and it was quite funny. And फिर मतलब पता नहीं क्या हो गया, like somewhere I think these traditions have existed, but it's
I
like
don't
if you
think they were popular enough.
these things were popular. Even if you look at comedy in general, मतलब सिनेमा से भी हटके देखो तो कार्टूनिस्ट का काफी रहा है इंडिया में, न्यूज़पेपर्स वगैरह में. एंड दे तो हैव ऑब्वियसली like if you look at our political science textbooks जो CBSE की हैं, they are filled with these political cartoons throughout ऐसे emergency, not emergency, but like even after emergency people made cartoons about that. And uske baad bhi about various governments that came and all of that. So I think it's like comedy ka tradition was there, satire ka tradition was there, but yeah, I agree that maybe it was not one of the more popular cultural phenomena, or maybe it was just not very strongly accepted by audiences. Maybe like some sections of the audiences liked it well enough कि वो थोड़े समय तक चला, but फिर उसके बाद yeah.
Yeah, I think so too. Because even like when you look at comedy in TV, that
Hmm.
shows like Office and Jaspal Bhatti ka Flop Show, and they are really funny and
Hmm.
more like like they're a good balance of satire and slapstick, I would say.
Yes.
And they were wildly popular. Like Office to
Hmm.
had a both of these shows actually they had a cult following.
Hmm.
And but why somehow nahi chal paya. Like Flop Show was actually a flop show. I think it has only very limited number of episodes, even though
Hmm.
it is genuinely like I still think about that show sometimes, and I used to watch it as a kid with my family, and we all used to laugh like anything.
Hmm.
And but no, it's just like Jaspal Bhatti is also sort of forgotten now, even though he was such a good
Yeah.
satirist. And
Yeah.
Office ka bhi, हाँ, it was funny and whatever, but it was I don't know, like as long as you're targeting, you know, these very acceptable targets, tab tak theek hai. But once you start targeting the higher
Yeah,
ups, then I think it gets tough. Because
I
Kissa
suppose.
Kursi ka was like it was literally destroyed before anyone could see it, and it was
Hmm.
because it was a satire on Mrs. Indira Gandhi. And yeah,
Yeah.
like
Even if you think
very.
about, just like there are so few political movies in this country, or like political movies about related to comedy. I mean, like in
Yeah.
America there's this show called Veep. It won like I say Emmys for just it ran for about 6 or 7 years. It just ended last year, and it won Emmys every single year. And it's just like I've seen it and I love it because, and the thing in it is that they're not really targeting any exact political figure. So like they don't name anybody that Obama or this one, that one. They don't name anybody, and they don't even name the political parties. They just it's satire about like the structures of the state, like the government and the judiciary and the military and so on. And mostly it's about the government only. And when like it was so wildly successful, and it did such a good job of doing wait showing the truth behind these things. And maybe it's just like Indians are not ready to face the
Thin
truth yet
skinned.
about yeah how their
Thin
system.
skinned.
Yeah, I just feel
Yes.
that yeah.
No, no, I forgot what I was saying.
Hmm. I just feel that if somebody really wants to do comedy in this country, you have to be really, I don't know what the word is, मतलब आपको खुद से होना चाहिए कि हाँ मुझे करना है और मुझे एक अच्छी चीज बनानी है, क्योंकि वही there is no guarantee of your money being returned on your investment, because like I said, most of the country उनका comedic taste कुछ और ही है. And even if like उनका taste inherently ऐसा नहीं है, तो सालों से उनको उस तरह की movies दिखाई हैं. So in a way, like that has become their perception of comedy and their expectation from comedy. So अगर किसी को actually बनानी है कोई impactful comedy movie, or just a funny comedy movie which goes beyond these superficial things, आपको मतलब खुद से होना चाहिए, okay, I'm just doing this for the project, for just putting something like this into the world. And yeah, and it'll be difficult, I guess, to convince anybody to do that. Hey, I'm making a movie. It probably won't earn money. I just want to do it for creative satisfaction and for raising the bar of comedy. एक तो वो भी होगा ना कि if I say कि okay मुझे I want to raise the bar of comedy, so and I go to a producer, but then this will be like कि अच्छा, if you do this and it ends up being successful also, so like ये साजिद खान वगैरह तो they'll go out of business completely, even though Sajid Khan should go out of business, definitely. But I think that is also there कि अगर कोई एक अच्छा कर, it's like वो केकड़े वाली कहावत कि if one tries to ऐसे come up, everybody else will pull them down.
Yeah.
I think it's something like that also probably.
Another thing that I think is plaguing Bollywood comedy is that there are very few original scripts. If you see most of these comedy movies in Bollywood, they are
Yeah.
remakes of either South Indian, Marathi, Punjabi, Odia, or Western. और अब तो साउथ कोरिया और जापान को भी कॉपी करने लगा है, हांगकांग. तो yeah, like lot of movies are copies of Jackie Chan movies. So yeah, and when they remake it in its entirety. They don't adapt it to Hindi or whatever, like North Indian context. It's just like उठा के पटक दिया, or they add vulgarity to it. That's the only thing they add. Like have you seen Judwa, the original one, not Varun Dhawan wali?
Neither.
Even though I think Varun Dhawan wali is an exact copy because the same man is directing both of them.
Oh
But
yeah.
but okay, so like it's a remake of this Telugu movie called Hello Brother, not to be confused with the Hindi
और
Hello Brother.
yes.
What a mess.
तो एक मूवी से उन्होंने टाइटल चुराया और एक मूवी से उन्होंने वो चुराई कहानी.
हाँ, and जो Hello Brother है Sohail Khan वाली, that is also a copy of some movie. I don't know which movie, but that is not an original script basically.
Yeah.
So this Judwa is a copy of Hello Brother, and they have like all the weird misogynistic things in Judwa. They are apparently new additions. Like there is misogyny in the original movie also. It is a 90s movie after all. But in the Hindi version, it's just been heightened. So there is that. And then and this too happens with like I think other genres also, like drama or romance ki the Hindi version is worse than the original one. But with comedy, it just it loses its essence. And then
Yeah.
since you don't have a proper context for it, like if something is funny in Kerala and in the Malayalam language, like if it's a pun, then
Yeah.
the same pun won't be funny in Hindi. So
तो वो लोग
they don't.
एफर्ट नहीं डालना चाहते होंगे.
हाँ, probably क्योंकि भाई वो फिल्म उधर सक्सेसफुल हो गई तो वो यहाँ भी सक्सेसफुल हो गई.
Yeah.
And ये दिमाग चलता है बस थोड़ा सा just put in a few spankings, put in a few anti-women jokes, put in a few put in like the main character in drag, हो गई तुम्हारी hit comedy, and somehow people lap it up. I don't know why they do, I don't understand why they do, but होता है. And the only exception to this is Chachi 420 because वो सेम ही आदमी उन दोनों मूवीज के पीछे था, ओरिजिनल भी और हिंदी भी. So somehow Chachi 420 has escaped the curse of like the remake. But like otherwise it's all pathetic, I would say.
Yeah. I think we can like just sum this up as ki, I guess at the very core, everybody's just lazy because
Yeah,
if
yeah, yeah.
with political satire, so it's quite clear that nobody wants to say take thoda risk, speak against. It's not even like about doing government related satire. Like you can do about something else. Maybe make it about जैसे Jolly LLB in a way was ऐसे judiciary and यही
Hmm.
ये वाला जो डिवाइड होता था that was cool और मतलब उसमें कोई टारगेट थोड़ी हुआ ना स्पेसिफिकली कि वी नो जुडिशरी में ऐसा होता है ये वो एंड ठीक है मतलब इट वाज नॉट एकदम परफेक्टली लाइक अ सटायर ऑन जुडिशरी बिकॉज उसमें उसके भी लाइक अपने फॉल्स वॉल्स थे बट ब्रॉडली इट डिड अ गुड जॉब शोइंग कि अच्छा क्या है
Hmm.
तो वैसा बन सकती है यार मतलब इतना भी इसमें कुछ नहीं है बट आई थिंक ओवर टाइम लॉट ऑफ फिल्म मेकर्स आर गेटिंग वेरी लेजी मतलब अब maybe it's because like I don't know they think that oh filmmaking is a very risky business पैसे के मामले में तो you want to do things in a safe manner but फिर उसका भी आई थिंक सैचुरेशन पॉइंट आ ही जाता है मे बी लाइक वही लाइक व्हाट वी सेड इन द प्रीवियस एपिसोड कि people will leave Bollywood because there's now we have so many better options even if like हमें कुछ नहीं मिले like पूरी दुनिया ऐसे कुछ नहीं बचा दुनिया में ढंग का क्वालिटी कंटेंट आई कैन जस्ट गो ऑन यूट्यूब एंड वॉच ओल्ड एपिसोड्स ऑफ ऑफिस आई कैन वॉच सारा भाई ऑन हॉटस्टार मुझे नहीं जरूरत है इस बकवास को झेलने की
Exactly.
सो ये अपना ही रूइन आएगा एकदम ऐसे मार्केट इकोनॉमिक्स यहाँ पे चल रहा है I think there is a glimmer of hope because I think Houseful 4 was the lowest earning Houseful, something like that. So that's like a good thing. I'm glad. Thank you, Bobby, for all your contribution. I'm sure you're
And
the
these people, these are unironically funny people. Like if you put Bobby Deol in a thriller, he'll be so funny. But if you put him in a comedy, he will not be funny.
dude. That's a
So
great idea. You should have a thriller with Bobby Deol. What the fuck? Oh my god, that would be amazing.
I think that was race three.
I think we should watch this.
No, 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 no.
but
You
no.
watch it and then you tell me how it was. I will listen.
ऐसे
But no way. No, I've seen Race and I was traumatized by Race. So never again.
oh god. But yeah, I mean I would hope like the only thing is कि वही that थोड़े ऐसे guts आ जाए बॉलीवुड में hopefully and yeah just like better writers man मतलब I don't know what I would say to these people like who are writing films for writing in the business of writing and all कि maybe just watch
Hmm.
some world cinema watch some ऐसे quality south की movies bengali movies or something and learn कि बाकी जगह ऐसे quality का मतलब क्या होता है then and then like we live in your own country right तो अपनी country में news पढ़ो interact with the average person see कि हमारे यहाँ फिर क्या ऐसी situations हैं जिनमें ऐसे which can be made comedic and all of that like don't just like copy paste shit because sure it's easy now but then ये model ज़्यादा देर तक sustainable नहीं रहेगा
Exactly.
yeah
Apparently, they have tried to remake this very iconic Hollywood movie, Weekend at Bernie's,
mm.
multiple times in Bollywood, and it has never succeeded. And it's obvious why it has never succeeded because that situation can only happen in America. That is not happening in India anytime soon.
Ooh.
So, why are you trying to push it on us? Why can't you, like, make a simple movie about, just what happens in Delhi? तुम एक दिन दिल्ली की सड़कों पे गुजार लो तुम्हें इतना कॉमेडी कंटेंट मिलेगा क्या बताऊं मैं बट नहीं यू हैव टू गो आफ्टर थिंग्स लाइक वीकेंड एट बर्नीज और डेथ एट अ फ्यूनरल एंड डेथ एट अ फ्यूनरल इज वेरी फनी इट्स लाइक अ ब्रिटिश
Hmm.
satire black comedy kind of movie so in like the British context, it works because why British have that reputation for the stiff upper lip, and
Hmm.
funerals are just funny. Like if something weird happens, then yeah. But India में वो नहीं चलता ना like especially
हाँ.
मतलब यहाँ पर like at least with Hindus तो शोक सभा में this you can't have weird like if you do it well then it will be funny but then if you just ट्रांसपोर्ट जो डेथ एट अ फ्यूनरल में हो रहा था टू शोक सभा देन इट्स
वही
नॉट गोना वर्क So like you said, ki they need to get off their asses and you know interact with the common people and understand what's actually funny.
Yeah. Even like कोई Monty Python कोई ले लो मतलब they did such as a silly humor, but then they were also capable of doing very sort of black humorish stuff with Life of Brian, and it was not even exactly targeted at religion, just at the absurdity of life. And how do you know that? You know that by living life, you observe and you look for comedy in your daily life, your average interactions, and that's our final message to Bollywood that says please do this. But whoever's listening this, if you do know actually good comedies to have come out of Bollywood which you've seen in the last decade also, मैं तो ये 2010-11 के बाद मैं बोल रही हूँ, like the moment in Hindi cinema hit 100 years, उसके बाद से क्या मतलब गिरे हैं ये लोग बेचारे, not even बेचारे, they don't deserve that, but yeah, मुझे तो नहीं लगता 2010 से 20 के बीच में एक भी ढंग की कॉमेडी मूवी आई है, but if you do know then
Same.
do let us know, and yeah, we would love to check it out. And should we wrap it up?
Yes.
Yes. Thank you very much for listening, and if you have inputs, do give them to us. We appreciate them a lot. And
Yeah.
yeah, can't wait for the thumbnail.